So I'm out at Dollar Tree picking out the flowers I need to make the background for when I post my fashion DIYs. So I'm gonna show you guys like the flowers. So I came here because you can get them all for $1. They're slightly cheaper than Walmart. So I'm gonna show you guys the board that I'm gonna get, and then we're gonna do a step-by-step walkthrough on how to do it. These are the different varieties this Dollar Tree has, but my brand colors, there are white, red, gray, or black. So I'm just gonna go with like the white, red, and probably throw a few silvers in there too. Yeah. So I found some of these in another aisle. I'm trying to see which ones I want to throw in there. I'm kind of leaning towards the off-white ones. And then some of the roses, since I don't have any of those. So far we got a lot of flowers. And these, I found these boards to create the background. So later on in the video, you guys will see how I'm gonna put it together. But these are the flowers we have so far. I'm mad because they don't have any silver ones here besides these that I found, but it's not really enough. So we shall see. I may go to Walmart later on to just add them to give it that pop. So now I'm gonna need a glue gun, and then we'll be on our way. Now we in Family Dollar, and I found some glue sticks for this glue gun. I found for $3, and then I'm gonna get 2 packs of these for $1. This is like a little quick spot I come to for little stuff that I might need when I'm sewing or like got any projects. So yeah, Family Dollar is that place for that. I think that's all we gonna need. Because I already have some command strips at home to stick the board on the wall, so we good to go.